Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Kids, today we are going to draw and coloring Oggy and the Cockroach. Oggy and the Cockroaches is a funny cartoon that kids and toddlers love. It's about a blue cat named Oggy who lives in a house with three naughty cockroaches named Joey, Didi, and Marky. Oggy likes to relax and enjoy his day, but the cockroaches always try to cause trouble. They play tricks on Oggy and create lots of chores. Oggy tries to catch them, but the cockroaches are very sneaky and quick. Kids enjoy watching Oggy and the Cockroaches because it's full of silly antics and funny moments. They show teach kids about problem solving and patience while making them laugh with the funny battles between Oggy and the cockroach. It's a fun and entertaining show for everyone. The bright color, funny sound effects and non-stop action keep children entertained and engaged. Each episode is a new adventure